Welcome to Matt's Metalworking. In this video I'll be showing you how to cut aluminum using a miter saw. Here I am required to cut some aluminum tubing for a boat dock I'm making. There is two sizes of tubing. One is 2x2 and the other is 2x3. Both are the same in thickness at 3/16. I can purchase a specific cutoff disc for an angle grinder, however, there is an alternative method which most people may have access to. For this I'm using a miter saw with a wood carbide blade. There is also a specific carbide blade for cutting aluminum, however this one will do just fine. First is making the rough measurements using a marker. I can make a thicker line with this, then follow up with a scriber to get the exact measurement I want. Once everything is marked out, then I'm ready to cut the piece. I have a hose attached which goes directly to a vacuum cleaner. This will keep the aluminum chips down substantially. The carbide blade also has some candle wax applied. This may help with some lubrication during the cutting process. Cutting oil can be used, however there is a higher chance of that spraying everywhere. Once that piece is in place, use a clamp to hold it down so it doesn't slide when starting the saw. As you can see, I'm also wearing a mask and safety glasses. Even with a vacuum cleaner, the aluminum chips do travel quite far, so it's better to be safe. I cut all the pieces as needed. This method does help keep the aluminum fairly cool. There is an extremely accurate cut with minimal burrs. I have even used this saw to cut 1/2 inch thick aluminum in the past. With thicker aluminum, you'll need to take your time, listen to the motor to ensure it's not being overworked, and only apply light pressure. Here is another example using some aluminum flat bar for a switch panel. This was about 1/4 inch. Next is sample footage cutting that tubing, but instead in real time so you can see how long it does take to cut it. All the other footage was sped up previous to this. When done, then finish up with a file to remove any burrs on the edges. After that, the metal is then prepped as needed. This concludes the rest of my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please leave a comment below and throw a like my way. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more metalworking videos. Thank you for watching.